Hey guys, we're here today inside of Fetty's car. There's a lot more sunlight right now than we're ever used to getting, and it's because we're going street skating. So we have Fetty right here, and we have Uzi in the back seat. Sadly today, Carlos Lastra is hurt. He has a broken rib and a bruised lung, and Nigel's hurt as well. He has a ripped scrotum. So we're a little short on Braille members today, but it's all good because Fetty and Uzi are gonna go out there and shred for you guys. So do you have any idea where we are going right now?
No.
We have not a single clue where to go or what to skate, but I think we're gonna head towards the Castro Valley area and just see what's there. It is fully sunny out, yet it's raining.
We haven't street skated. Well, I haven't in so long. You know, I don't even know how to find these spots anymore. Like how, like when I lived in Brentwood, we just had those designated spots that everyone went and skated. I know Hayward, so are we going to like warm up somewhere first? I'm gonna go to this little skate park to warm up. It's not the best skate park, but it's like a ramp. Like there's 2 quarter pipes, a kicker, a weird flat bar, and like down rails.
This is your old school park? You used to come here?
I came here like once every month.
That's about how much I skate, so let's go.
As the late great Buddha would say, let's get it.
This is an interesting park.
Like
it looks like the legs are way too small.
This looks like
like a good bench.
It looks like somebody in Skate 3 put this ledge and it's way out of proportion. This actually looks like a Skate 3 park. That's very bad.
Dude, I wish we didn't forget to bring wax. I also knew we should have brought a basketball.
I'm trying to get a feel for this place.
Sketchfest.
Whoa, brother. What the heck? That was sick.
Thank you.
Oh, you never do that at the Braille house. For some reason, I feel like Carlos would love this park.
It's small, just like him.
First thing is nothing's even waxed.
It's like, yeah.
Not even warmed up.
It's like, yeah, I came here to warm up.
I am warming up.
So like not waxed that it's almost waxed.
What?
Man, he's over here getting it. You better start getting your groove on.
Oh no.
That sounded so bad. Jeez. Yeah.
That's fine.
Sick. Crook, you gotta get your crook game back.
Oh, oh dear.
Oh yeah.
It's actually slippery.
Get that, dude. Yeah, Fetty.
Their handrails like just like this. Going too fast. Pulling it.
Yeah. Count it back to back. Yeah. What the heck? Wow. Wow.
I backed you up with the same trick.
Yeah, huh? Backwards.
Backwards.
We're on the hunt for them spots.
On the hunt for the spots.
That little skate park was cool. You guys got a lot of tricks there.
Yes.
Very nice.
Mighty fine.
Not good.
Not
It is-
good at all.
AK mighty fine.
Oh, where are we going?
Prime time. Those red curbs.
I see what you
They
did
look
there.
prime.
Prime time matinee ledge right there.
Yeah.
Wow, brother.
We are in Hayward, California.
Medical market? What do you go there to buy a new leg or something?
No, you get it to get a new neck.
That's where I need to go.
You know, if you guys are like, what the heck is this? You guys are supposed to be street skating. Why are you talking so much? It's because that's a lot of what street skating is just trying to find somewhere to skate. You know, believe it or not, there was a time I used to drive around and look for spots to skate myself.
Unless.
Unless you live in San Francisco. Then you just have to walk out of your front door and there's a spot. Oh,
We don't need laws.
he is
around here.
swinging it.
When I skated it back in the day, I don't think the building was being used.
But now it is.
Now there's a lot of cars.
Street skating live. We're here, downtown, bringing you some street skateboarding.
No, hey, no, there's a breakfast spot in here that I literally just went to like 2 weeks ago with Aaron, and it was delicious.
Oh,
Would you look at that? That looks like something that needs a lot of wax.
Yeah.
It's kind of.
Hey, for those of you guys watching this video, if you don't have any wax, just dump a bottle of water on the ledge, and it'll work out perfectly. Just kidding. Oh.
I don't know. I don't know if it slides or not. I can't really tell. But it doesn't look like it.
I'm overexposing the sun a little bit so you can see the shade. Conclusion, no slide.
No wax, no good.
Wait, I got one trick I want to try actually. Not that one. That was actually not the trick. I just wanted to do that for fun. I'm gonna try to wall ride up the 3. I almost did it.
Yeah, you got that. Go a little faster. Conclusion, not skatable.
I wish there was wax on it. Like,
Do you think Big 5 would have wax?
no.
That's actually, it's hard, but
That's sick.
I think I can do it.
Get that.
Definitely it's hard. Oh, there we go. I meant to go up here, but I think that's how I can get out of it. So sketch. Let me do it again. I don't know. Let me
How
do
did
it.
you roll away from
Let me
that?
do a better one.
Spinal.
How'd I get over here? I thought I had it and I hit that monster
You
crack.
just launched like 7 feet, dude.
I hit the crack and
Wear a helmet. Are you okay?
yeah, I'm good.
My head.
I'll wear my hood.
I'll get him one.
It'll have a little cushion.
Oh, that was very nice. What a nice lady. There's the body and the tail, and that's where the eyes would be and the happy face. Or maybe a goldfish cracker. That was sick.
Try one more time.
If you want one more, that was pretty cool though.
I landed it stupid.
That was fully primo.
Dude, no way.
How did you land that fully primo?
Awesome, dude. Heck yeah.
Kickflip, but
That's fine.
That was great. I have no idea how you did that.
I don't know either. Primo out with that. I mean, it counts. It's ugly. I got a little something extra.
Wow. Let's go to the next spot, guys. This is fun though. Yeah, nice little find on the side of the road.
yeah, well, if it was wax though, I was gonna try a trick that I landed a long time ago.
What is that?
I did a front board like big spin out over to flat.
Wow.
But when I landed it like back then, it was really ugly. Oh, did they take the coping off of it? What? There used to be coping on that bench. Back in Brentwood, we had a place called Firestone, and it was like our own DIY skate park. Right here.
Yeah, right here. Right there.
Hometown.
Carlos sized mini ramp.
Dang. What a lucky guy. He has so much options.
Coladas and raspberry filling. I don't know what I'm saying.
Wait, wasn't it raining last time we came here?
Yeah.
I gotta get a clip on this.
What are you gonna get, brother?
I don't know. I gotta see how fast I gotta go. If I can go fast enough to kickflip it, I could probably.
You can.
I could probably.
What'd you do last time, Betty?
Kickflip it. Hard flip or tray flip? Those are smaller though.
Is it big?
And I feel like it was also a lot more treacherous last time.
Yeah, cause like it was raining.
Let's go, Fetty. You good?
The ground was like.
No!
Dude, the ground? Yeah, okay, it won't slide, right?
Are your hands good?
No.
Let me see. Oh! Let me see.
It's like cheese grater.
Oh my gosh, hold it in the sun.
I mean, it's not that bad, but it doesn't feel that good.
It's not that bad.
What? What do you
Like
mean?
Mario when he fell on the solo wheel.
I thought the ground was like this.
You got it, dude.
I landed it
That's like 100%. That's like mob grip. That concrete.
right here.
I'm sorry I laughed. I didn't know you got cut up, dude.
No, it's fine.
For the fans. That's what you need.
For the fans.
For the fans. Ow, my hand is cold. Yo, Fatty!
This is the definition of a street spot. You know, you go to a skate park, everything's perfect, you know, everything. You come here, I mean, it speaks for itself.
I thought this spot was alright. It's hard to skate because you have to run up perfectly. That's like the hardest part. Like doing the tricks over it's not hard. The run up is so hard. And then once I realized, I hit the ground and really felt, you know what I went wrong? I was using that SpongeBob quote. I was like, be the marble, feel the marble. This is like, not marble, but I felt the ground and it's like mob grip right when you get it. Not right there, over here it's different. Yeah, look at it, right here, that's fine. Over here is like new or something.
You didn't fall right there. You fell right here.
Where?
You fell in this spot right here.
Oh no.
That's why.
Oh no. That's worse than mine.
Oh yeah, dude.
Look at
You fell
this.
right
Watch
here.
this. Watch this.
Oh yeah, that's why you got torn up. Well, upon reviewing that footage of Uzi falling, that's like, I'm sorry you fell.
Oh my god.
And I'm not making fun of you,
It'd be like that sometimes.
but it be like that sometimes, and that was the funniest thing
It's
I've
the
ever
most,
seen.
it's the most Uzi
That
thing.
was so funny.
Yeah,
it just
you know,
happens,
halfway
man.
through my leg's like, hey, what if I was just like Pele and did some soccer kick to my board? And then I was like, yeah, that's a good idea.
You know, I think your ping was too high. You were just
It
lagging.
was. My ping was too high. I lagged.
Dude, the best part about it though is your run before you fell. If
Hardest
you play
part.
it back, he's literally running like boink, boink, boink,
Big
boink. We're now at Greenwood Park, home of the infamous ledge. I don't know if it's a skate park or a skate spot. Doesn't really matter. Fetty and Uzi are gonna do some tricks here, and that's how we're gonna end this video.
There you go.
Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. At one spot. Yeah.
I meant to do that. Of the most slipperiest wax I've ever felt in my life. All you need is a little piece. It's very delicate wax.
Oh, no. Dude, sick. You should just land that.
I know, right?
All right, you guys, we're back here at the Braille house. We have an Aussie Dan. It was a crazy day. We never go street skating, and we wanted to go and do that for you guys today. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more street skating, let us know in a comment below. Until then, there's videos and playlists right there. Go click them, check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs. Betty, did you have a good time? Wow.